Now, we have different types of adjectives, especially qualificative adjectives. There are many. But in this case, these adjectives are put in front of nouns. So you have here un beau quartier, une belle ville, a beautiful neighborhood, a beautiful city. Un petit quartier, une petite ville, a small neighborhood, a small city. Un grand quartier, a big neighborhood, une grande ville, a big city. Un vieux quartier, an old neighborhood, une vieille ville, an old city. Here, beau means beautiful or handsome, but it's only placed in front of a masculine noun. But belle is feminine, means the feminine of beau is belle. The feminine of petit is petite. The feminine of grand is grande. The feminine of vieux is vieille. Masculine, feminine. Masculine, feminine. These adjectives are placed in front of the noun.